today's technology-driven society, electronic components are the cornerstone of the tech industry. Quality control as a core guarantee of product reliability, performance, and stability is of vital importance. Today, we are here in Amble Electronics Quality Control Center, and Senior Quality Inspection Engineer Rex will lead us to explore Amble Electronics' comprehensive testing and quality control processes. Hi, Rex.
Hello, welcome to Quality Control Center of Amble Electronics. Please come with me.
As a leader in electronic component distribution, Amble Electronics has built an international standardized quality control center in both Hong Kong and Shenzhen. Our professional team utilizes cutting-edge testing technology and adherence to stringent quality standards to establish a comprehensive quality control system.
Standardized testing procedures are foundation of our accuracy and reliability in testing results. At Amble Electronics, every electronic component must go through hundreds of meticulously designed testing process. Today we will have a site visit to show you our testing and quality control in details.
Great, I'm looking forward to it.
Please come with me. We are now in the goods receiving area. All the incoming cargo must be registered systematically and strictly inspected on the outer packaging boxes.
We capture information in details by using standard tools in the system, such as the goods arrival time, quantity, and batch of the products.
Only products which passed the initial inspection are allowed to enter rigorous testing process.
This step is critically important.
Definitely, this is first line to defense to ensure there are no any obvious damage on the product at the beginning. Now let's wear the protective gear and go into the testing room to see how we conduct the pieces test. Please make sure to wear the protective gear properly, as this ensures adherence to the environmental control standard in the testing room.
Okay.
There are dedicated laboratories for each testing items, and we have already achieved the ESC certification. There are 3 phases in the inspection process with total 14 major specialized items. Every step follows strict standards and procedures.
This is highly effective within the entire industry.
Now welcome to the first testing phase, which is the starting point of our quality control process and focus on the meticulous inspection of packaging and documents.
Firstly, we must ensure the product's packaging strictly conforms to anti-static and moisture-sensitive protection standards. Next, we carefully check accompanying documents to ensure product information matches all the requirements completely. Additionally, we must check whether there are any issues such as stains, damages, air leakage, or deformation. Lastly, we compare the packaging with database records to rigorously check for any noticeable discrepancies between the packaging and the records.
Even the product packaging is inspected so thoroughly? Really?
Definitely. The first testing phase ensures the integrity and consistency of product's packaging and documents. Next, this product will proceed to more rigorous testing phase.
What specific tests are done?
The second testing phase is the verification of authenticity. We promise to only provide genuine product to our customer. This is the core points of our second testing phase. This testing phase includes label authenticity, product appearance, product dimension, acetone whip testing, and X-ray inspection to ensure that they are genuine products which are manufactured by original manufacturer.
The label inspection will ensure the typography and encoding observed in high-definition images compared with the rules specific in the data manual. Additionally, we compare their marking code quality and fonts with the information of corresponding products in the database. In visual inspection, we examine the dimension and fonts, back and side surface of chips, as well as pins or solder balls to check for any abnormal situations. The acetone wipe testing involves using a cotton swab dipped in acetone reagent to wipe the surface of plastic encapsulation. The color change on the cotton swab is observed to determine if there are any abnormal indicating refurbishment or secondary coating. This is X-ray inspection, primarily used to examine the internal wafer of a chip for cracks, voids in bonding materials, integrity of bond wires, and abnormal soldering.
The first and second testing phases are impressive. What about the rest of the testing procedures?
The third testing phase, which involves performance and reliability testing. Here, we conduct 7 different items to further verify performance and reliability of the products.
The XRF testing is used to confirm the contents of lead, cadmium, mercury, chromium, and bromine in chips, ensuring that they comply with the threshold requirements of the RoHS. The electrical performance or functionality testing is to check whether the parameters of a chip comply with its original manufacturer's technical specifications, including electrical parameters, signal characteristics, dynamic response, and communication performance, thus ensuring the chip's functionality and performance meet the standards completely. The solderability testing involves a qualitative and quantitative evaluation of the solderability of chips, pins, or solder balls to check if the solder quality of the pins or solder balls meets the standards. The heat chemical test is to place a chip in a special chemical reagent and then heat it. The corrosive chemical reagent sweeps off the coating on the chip's surface. Thus, it enables us to determine whether there are any signs of secondary coating or retyping. Typically, this test is conducted with visual inspection and acetone wipe testing to verify whether the chip is refurbished. The decapsulation inspection involves removing a chip's plastic encapsulation and exposing its bare wafer inside. By inspecting the wafer size, manufacturer logo, copyright year, wafer code, and other information, the authenticity of the chip can be determined. The slicing inspection involves cutting and grading a chip to examine the cross-section of the chip or PCB for abnormal structure, cracking, delamination, and other defects.
All these tests are very rigorous and reliable.
Thank you. Let's go ahead moving to other places. We cooperate with industry-leading third-party organizations such as China Electronic Component Center Laboratory and Foxconn Testing Center to conduct cutting-edge testing items such as ultrasound testing.
Your pursuit of perfection in testing and quality control is evident.
In addition to our standard testing process, we also provide customized services such as baking and vialing to meet our customer-specific requirements.
This is our baking laboratory, where we remove moisture from moisture-sensitive devices through high-temperature baking, thereby ensuring their proper functioning and extending their lifespan. This is our vialing laboratory, where we utilize automated equipment to convert product packaging forms to meet specific customer requirements.
It's very impressive you offer customized services.
As we take photos of every key step of testing, we have clear visual records of them.
I can see that you're very careful and thorough in your quality control.
Thank you. The subsequent process are equally rigorous, including the assessment results, storage, and also the notification to customers.
During the assessment of testing results, the multi-level review ensures the fairness, objectivity, and accuracy of product quality assessments, and guarantees that the products meet industry standards and customer requirements. Before inbound products, QC parts are shown on traceable cook of qualified products, while non-conforming products are labeled with red text for isolation. We effectively separate them from each other by strict classification. Lastly, we notify our customer of testing results. We communicate the results promptly and clearly with them through efficient channels, such as emails, phone calls, or system platforms. For qualified products, we inform customers they have been properly stored, providing detailed information.
What's this?
This is an inspection report, which do not only record data, but also reflect our commitment to quality.
It's very comprehensive and detailed.
At Amble Electronics, we adhere to a series of international testing standards, including SAE AS60X1 and MIL STD XX3.
I've heard that you have a testing database, don't you?
You're well informed. Yes, we have an advisor testing database here.
For over 10 years, each of our testing results has been accurately recorded and securely stored using high-precision instruments to ensure traceability for the whole process. Every batch of incoming products must go through the comprehensive X-ray inspection for products' internal structures. Then, the results will be recorded and stored through high-definition images and tests to enrich our specialized database. Furthermore, we establish a database of labels from original manufacturers and distributors, as well as a marking cook database, so we can efficiently compare the information of incoming products with corresponding information in our database. Through Advisor Intelligent Analysis technology, we delve into the value of data to provide a solid scientific basis for decision-making in quality control.
Unbelievable. That's the power of data.
It doesn't not only represent our achievement, but also reflects our commitment to our customer.
Quality control is the lifeline of a company, but selecting and managing suppliers is equally crucial.
Absolutely. We have established efficient supplier selection and management system. This can screen out outstanding suppliers accurately and also maintain the integrity and efficient supply chain by performance evaluations.
Wow, you're doing great.
Thank you for your recognition.
How can you guarantee the efficiency of the logistics and the warehousing?
Our logistics and warehousing network spans across in Hong Kong and Shenzhen with over 1,800 square meters of the storage space. We make sure to achieve fast cargo turnover and efficient logistics services.
Through the real-time improvements of scheduling, the intelligent monitoring significantly enhanced the circulation efficiencies of electronic components. Advanced temperature and humidity control technologies are employed to create the optimal storage environment for sensitive components. The comprehensive upgrade of ESD protection enable us to defend against electrostatic damage from all angles.
Such a warehousing environment gives me great peace of mind.
Our goal is to create global, standardized logistic and warehousing network. This ensuring our customer can experience the exceptional services.
After visiting Amble's Quality Control Center, I'm truly optimistic about our upcoming collaboration.
Thank you very much for your trust and support.
Amble is committed to build a long-lasting partnership with you, and we look forward to work together with you to create a bright future.